waters forecast for south of New England, from the Great South Channel to Hudson Canyon, including the waters south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket Island, out to 1,000 fathoms. Hurricane force wind warning. Tonight, east winds 5 to 15 knots, increasing to east to northeast 25 to 35 knots in the evening, then becoming north to northeast 35 to 45 knots after midnight, except east of 71 west to 40 to 55 knots. Seas 1 to 3 feet, building to 12 to 18 feet, highest south. Areas of snow developing. Wednesday, west of 70 west, north winds 50 to 65 knots, becoming northwest 35 to 45 knots in the afternoon. Seas building to 17 to 29 feet. East of 70 west, north winds 55 to 65 knots, diminishing to northwest 40 to 50 knots in the afternoon. Seas building to 21 to 36 feet, highest southeast. Chance of snow. Wednesday night, northwest winds 30 to 40 knots, diminishing to 20 to 30 knots after midnight. West of 70 west, seas subsiding to 10 to 17 feet after midnight. East of 70 west, seas subsiding to 14 to 22 feet after midnight. Light freezing spray after midnight. Thursday, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming west 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. West of 70 west, seas subsiding to 6 to 9 feet in the afternoon. East of 70 west, seas subsiding to 7 to 12 feet in the afternoon. Light freezing spray early in the morning. Thursday night, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas subsiding to 4 to 7 feet. Friday, southwest winds increasing to 20 to 30 knots. Seas building to 6 to 11 feet. Saturday, west to southwest winds diminishing to 5 to 15 knots, then increasing to south 15 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Sunday, south winds 20 to 30 knots, becoming north. Seas building to 8 to 14 feet.